What if I told you na meron pang Ayala Land community where you can wake up to mountain views, enjoy wide open spaces, and still invest habang pre-selling pa? Tara, let me show you one of Alviera's hidden gems. Hi everyone, I'm Jenny Lindeligos, your real estate salesperson, and welcome to Vermont Settings Alviera. Alam niyo ba na sa 4 na Avida communities dito sa Alviera, 2 na po ang completely sold out na. At Greendale has only limited lots remaining. That's why maraming buyers ngayon na ang tumitingin sa Vermont Settings Alviera, the newest Avida community in the estate. What makes this community different? First, it's only 20 hectares, making it one of the most exclusive and low-density communities in Alviera. Second, almost half of the entire development, 45% is dedicated to parks, greenery, and open spaces. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang maganda ang community, mas presko din ang environment at mas relaxing ang everyday life. And here's my favorite part. Imagine, habang your morning coffee, habang tanaw mo ang Mount Arayat, then pag sunset naman, makikita mo ang Zambales Mountain Range. Hindi araw-araw may mga ganitong view sa isang residential community. Future residents will also enjoy a clubhouse, adult and kiddie pools, jogging paths, basketball court, gazebos, and landscape parks. Everything you need for a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Now, here's something even more exciting. Sa Vermont Settings, you are free to design and build your dream home the way you want it. Whether you prefer a modern contemporary design, minimalist style, or a nature-inspired home, you have the flexibility to bring your vision to life. This is your chance to create a home that truly reflects your lifestyle and personality. Now, here's the good news. House and lot units are already sold out na po, but lot only is still available with lot sizes from 125 up to 250 square meters. You can even combine lots and build the home you've always imagined. Whether you're an investor, an OFW, or someone planning for your future family, this is an opportunity worth considering. You can start investing for as low as 10,000 per month after the 10% spot down payment. So if you want the latest price list, available lots, or a free computation, send me a message. I'm Jenny Lindeligos. I'll see you in the next Alviera property tour.